Alright, let's dive into the world of AI tools that can make life a lot easier for anyone dealing with earth science literature and research, whether you're a seasoned geologist, an enthusiastic student, or just someone fascinated by our planet. Imagine you're standing at the foot of a massive mountain of research papers. Just looking up feels overwhelming. Traditionally, tackling this mountain involved endless hours sifting through databases, reading dense jargon, and trying to connect the dots. But what if you had a team of tireless digital assistants ready to help you climb? That's where AI-powered tools come in. They're like having a bunch of clever buddies who are really good at finding, understanding, and summarizing information. A recent report took a good look at these AI tools, specifically figuring out which ones could be super helpful for students in geology, geochemistry, and general earth science. The idea was to see how these tools measure up when it comes to handling scientific literature and helping with research tasks. They looked at things like how well the tools understand earth science topics, if they can find papers from different sources, how accurate their searches are, how easy they are to use, what languages they support, and if they offer cool extras like summarizing or helping with citations. Oh, and of course, they checked out the cost because nobody wants to spend their rock collecting budget on software, right? The tools were grouped by what they actually do. Think of it like organizing your geological hammer. Hand lens, and sample bags each has a specific job. These AI tools fall into different categories based on their function. Literature search and discovery tools. These are your digital scouts, designed to help you find relevant papers in the vast landscape of scientific publications. They're great when you're just starting a project and need to know what's out there. Some can understand natural language questions, so you don't have to remember arcane search terms. AI2 ScholarQA, picture it as a chatty librarian who's only allowed to talk about open access papers, over 8 million of them. You can ask it complicated questions, and it tries to give you answers pulled from multiple papers, even showing you exactly where it got the information. It covers fields like environmental science, which is pretty close to earth science, but it's stronger in areas with lots of preprint papers like computer science or biomedicine. It's free, web-based, and understands English. It's cool because it gives you answers from many papers at once, but remember, it can only see the open stuff. Elicit, this one is like a research assistant specializing in structured literature reviews. It taps into a huge database from Semantic Scholar and can answer questions by finding relevant papers. It's particularly good if you're doing a systematic review or working with studies that have clear experimental results. It can really speed up finding papers for your literature review, and yes, it can dig up relevant earth science papers because its database is pretty broad across STEM fields. It's also free and web-based in English. The main thing is it works best for experimental style studies, which might not be every type of earth science research. SciSpace, formerly Typeset, this is more of an all-in-one academic platform. It claims access to over 200 million papers you can search. But a super handy feature is the ability to chat directly with a PDF you upload. You can ask questions, get instant summaries like a too long, didn't read version, find definitions for jargon just by highlighting text, and even get help with citations. It's available as a web app and a browser extension, speaks over 25 languages, and has a free tier with paid options. It's a great toolkit for reading and interacting with papers, though some of the fancier features cost money, and the summaries can sometimes be a bit generic. PDF or document Q&A and analysis tools. These are fantastic once you've actually got the papers or documents you need to read. Instead of just staring at dense blocks of text, these tools let you have a conversation with your document. Chat, you upload a PDF, and boom, you can ask it questions. It summarizes the content and, crucially, points you back to the exact pages in the PDF where it found the answer. It's like having a super fast index in every paper you read. It's web-based, supports many languages, and has a free tier. It's incredibly easy to use and instantly links answers to their source in the PDF, which is gold. Just watch out for file size limits and make sure your PDF isn't a scanned image unless you can get the text recognized. That's called OCR. Docanalyzer, this one is a bit more versatile because you can upload not just PDFs, but also Word docs, images, and even presentation slides. You can upload multiple files and chat with them all together. It even handles scanned documents using OCR. It's fantastic for tackling a mix of file types and even lets you group documents or work collaboratively. It uses powerful AI models underneath. There's a free plan that gives you unlimited chats, which is nice. The interface might be a little less slick than chat, but the multi-format and OCR features are big pluses. Flagged, really broad in what it can chat with. PDFs, docs, web pages, YouTube videos, you name it. It can analyze audio and video content and even query across several sources at once. It has a free trial, but you pay for heavy use. It supports a huge variety of formats and can query across multiple documents, but it's a very general tool, not specific to science, and the free tier has usage caps. Humata, similar to chat. You upload a PDF and can ask questions, get summaries, or find specific information. It handles multiple documents, making it useful for comparing papers, but the free plan only lets you upload a limited number of pages per month. Again, it's a general tool, not focused on earth science specifically, but works on any relevant PDF you give it. Explain paper. Instead of chatting with the whole document, you upload a PDF, highlight a sentence or paragraph that's full of jargon, and the AI will try to rephrase it in simpler terms. It's like having a buddy who can quickly translate dense academic language for you. It's web-based and free. It's perfect for deciphering tough bits of text, but it doesn't summarize the whole paper or answer general questions about it. You have to manually select the text you need help with. Gear Chatbot, desktop application for Windows and Mac that combines a PDF reader or editor with an AI chat powered by an older version of ChatGapt. You can ask questions about any PDF you open, a textbook, a paper, whatever, and it can even merge multiple PDFs so you can ask questions across them. Plus, you get standard PDF editing features like highlighting. It's free to download and use offline. The big plus is it integrates editing and chat directly into a desktop app and can merge docs, but it uses an older AI model and doesn't provide specific citations from the PDF in its answers. Popeye acts like a personal AI workspace. You upload documents, and it gives you instant answers, summaries, and outlines. It can even auto-generate presentation slides from your notes and chat with images. It's web-based and supports multiple languages. It's fast for Q&A and summarizing arbitrary documents and has cool extras like slide generation. However, it's a commercial tool, potentially based in China, and has limited free usage. Summarization and content tools. Sometimes you don't need to understand every single detail of a paper right away. You just need the main points. These tools are built to give you the condensed version. Paper Talk, you upload a paper, and it spits out a concise summary around 500 words focusing on the problem, solution, and methods. It also turns that summary into a 5-minute audio paper book. It uses a large database of papers to do this automatically. There's a free tier available. This is great for quickly getting the core message of a paper, and the audio option is a bonus for listening on the go. It focuses just on summaries, though, not interactive Q&A, and its coverage isn't specifically tailored to earth science. Tleader This, an AI text summarizer focused on web articles and documents. It condenses long online articles into shorter paragraphs. It even has a Chrome extension. It's good for quickly summarizing news or blog posts, but it's designed for general web content, not the specific structure and jargon of academic papers. AnySummary, a very basic online tool where you paste or upload text and tell it how long you want the summary to be. It's simple and fast, but that's about it. No advanced features like citing or handling PDFs. Ethera, more of a knowledge discovery platform, but includes an advanced summarizer that can handle various document types, websites, and even videos. You can then chat with the content to summarize it or extract data. The free account is quite limited, one file or month. Its strength is summarizing multiple formats, including videos like lecture recordings, but you need a paid plan for serious use. PowerDrill, another AI text summarizer for long documents, including PDFs and docs. It can give you summaries in bullet points or paragraphs. It handles long academic texts well, but like many others, it's not specific to earth science content. UTleader, a niche tool specifically for summarizing YouTube videos. It grabs the transcript even in multiple languages and provides a summary and key points. Very useful for lectures or talks posted on YouTube, but that's all it does. Writing and editing aids. Once you've done your research and are ready to write your thesis, report, or paper, these tools can be invaluable for polishing your language. Grammarly checks your grammar, spelling, clarity, and writing style in real time. Its AI can suggest better wording, and newer versions even offer guidance on citations and check for plagiarism. It's excellent for making sure your academic writing is clear and professional. It won't help you find papers, but it's pretty essential for anyone writing a significant document. There's a free basic version, but the premium subscription unlocks the really powerful style and plagiarism checks. Quillbit, great for paraphrasing text, rewriting sentences or paragraphs in different ways. It also has its own AI summarizer and a tool to help generate citations, though these are automated, so you still need to check them. It's useful for rewording text and getting quick summaries, but be cautious that it just rephrases without checking if the facts are correct, and the citation help is basic. WordTune, similar to Quillbit with a focus on paraphrasing and adjusting the tone of your writing. It can expand or shorten text and switch between formal and casual styles. A neat feature is its ability to summarize any text you select, even on web pages or in videos. Its sentence rephraser is quite intuitive, and the summarization feature is a bonus, but it currently only works for English output and requires a subscription for heavy use. Text Cortex, another AI writing suite with a browser extension for rewriting on the fly. It includes tools for paraphrasing, summarizing, and even drafting articles. Its summarizer can pull out key points from any text box you highlight. It's quite versatile with rewrite, summarize, and translation features in one place, but it's less known, has limited free usage, and is mainly focused on English. Jenny AI, more of a co-writing tool powered by a capable AI model. It helps generate essays, papers, or even code, offering suggestions as you write. It's designed to speed up the drafting process. It's good for brainstorming and getting a first draft going, but like all generative AI, you must verify its output carefully as it can produce inaccurate content, and it's not specialized for scientific content specifically. General AI assistants and productivity tools, these aren't strictly focused on research papers but can be helpful for students and researchers in broader ways. Google AI Studio gives you access to Google's Gemini AI models like Bard. It's a general chatbot that can handle text and code. It's free for personal use with limits and supports many languages. It provides free access to powerful AI models, but it's a general tool, not built for finding literature, and can sometimes make up information, hallucinate, so always double-check anything important. BeEarly.ai, a versatile AI assistant that integrates into your browser. It combines chat capabilities using different AI models like GPT or Claude with the ability to interact with web pages or PDFs you attach. It can summarize, simplify text, and even generate images or check grammar. It's quite versatile for interacting with content directly in your browser, but using browser extensions always brings up privacy considerations, and the free version has usage limits. Merlin Get Merlin, another multi-purpose Chrome extension. It uses different AI models and can summarize web pages, YouTube videos, and emails. It also offers chat and some other features. It's a handy browser assistant for quick summaries and Q&A on whatever you're viewing online. Experai, a platform where you can create or chat with custom AI experts. You can feed them knowledge or set up their personality. Useful for tutoring or getting quick Q&A from a specific persona, it lets you create tailored chatbot experiences, but it doesn't have a built-in database of scientific literature. It relies on its general AI knowledge or information you provide. Zmind AI, a mind mapping tool that incorporates AI. It can auto-generate mind maps from prompts, which can be really useful for brainstorming or organizing complex study topics visually. It helps structure your ideas, but it doesn't understand the content itself, just helps you organize your thoughts about it. Relevance for earth science. Many of these tools, even if they aren't built only for geology or geochemistry, can still be highly relevant. Elicit, high relevance because it taps into broad scientific databases like Semantic Scholar, which includes earth science papers, and is good for structured reviews. SciSpace, high relevance. It has a massive corpus, including geology and climate science, and its PDF chat and citation features are super useful for reading papers in any field. Chatf, Docanalyzer, Humata, Pfgear Chatbot, Pope, highly relevant because you can upload any earth science paper or textbook and start asking questions. It doesn't matter if the tool knows geology inherently. It just needs to read the text you give it. Grammarly, high relevance for academic writing in any field. Some tools have moderate relevance, such as AI2 ScholarQA, PaperTalk, Jotlify, Aphori, Ethera, Quillbit, WordTune, and TextCortex. Others, like Thesis, Experi, and Smide AI, are less directly useful for deep literature work but might help with other productivity tasks. Google AI Studio and Merlin are general chatbots, useful for broad queries or quick web summaries, but they don't have specialized scientific knowledge or literature access built in. Cost and caveats. Many tools offer a free tier, which is great for trying out functionality, maybe limited document uploads, fewer questions per day, or access to slightly less powerful AI models. These can still offer valuable time savings and provide clarity when dealing with complex papers. However, free plans often have usage limits. Want to upload dozens of papers? You'll likely need a paid subscription. Paid versions often unlock advanced features like chatting with multiple documents at once, using the most advanced AI models, or getting unlimited use. Here's the kicker, and it's super important for science: while these tools are powerful, they can sometimes hallucinate facts. That means they can confidently make things up that sound plausible but are totally wrong. Because many tools are general purpose and not specifically trained just on earth science, they might misunderstand nuances or jargon unique to geology or geochemistry. So, the golden rule when using AI tools for research is always verify the AI-generated content against the original source material or established domain literature. Think of them as incredibly smart interns who sometimes get creative with facts. They can save you tons of time and effort, but they don't replace your critical thinking and understanding of the science. Using these tools strategically can truly augment your workflow. For finding initial literature, tools like ScholarQA and Elicit can help you pose research questions directly. Once you have papers, PDF chatbots like Humata and Ptgear can turn them into interactive resources where you can ask questions and get instant answers grounded in the text. Need to quickly grasp the main points of a long paper? Summarizers like Thesis or PowerDrill can condense them for you. And when it's time to write, Grammarly, WordTune, and TextCortex are there to help polish your words and ensure clarity. Even general tools like Merlin or Google's Gemini can assist with broader queries or web searches related to your topic. In summary, the world of AI tools offers exciting possibilities for anyone involved in earth science research or just curious about geological topics. They can help you find papers faster, understand complex documents more easily, and write more effectively. While many are general tools, their ability to process and interact with text, PDFs, and even videos makes them highly relevant. Just remember their limitations, usage limits, the potential for errors, always verify, and the fact that they are powerful tools to assist you, not substitutes for your own knowledge and critical geological mind. Embrace these digital helpers, but always keep your geological hammer sharp and your critical thinking helmet on.
Welcome to the world of geology and earth sciences with Ricardo Valls, a seasoned professional geologist bringing you over 1,500 videos of unparalleled expertise. Whether you're a budding graduate student, an early career specialist, or a seasoned professional, this channel is your gateway to a wealth of knowledge. Explore a vast array of earth-related subjects, including geology, geochemistry, structural geology, and the application of artificial intelligence and machine learning in geosciences. Ricardo Valls not only shares his own invaluable insights, but also brings you exclusive interviews and collaborations with other prominent geologists, offering a comprehensive view of the field. Stay ahead of the curve with our latest content, covering everything from unraveling the Earth's secrets to exploring global geological phenomena. Don't miss this opportunity to enhance your knowledge and stay at the forefront of the industry. Subscribe now, hit that like button, and share this invaluable resource with your colleagues and friends. Join our growing community of over 2,000 earth science enthusiasts and professionals today. Unlock the secrets of the Earth with Ricardo Valls, your top resource for all things geology. The future of geosciences is here. Be part of it.
I think these videos are brilliant, and I'm sure you will like them too. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell.